Hi, this is Al Ken, and welcome back to my channel. Well, we have a development on the Young Thug RICO trial as the case is now put on hold. Apparently something to do with the judge. Most likely his conduct. He did something he wasn't supposed to do, and then to make matters worse, he doubled down on it and gotten a good reputation lawyer jailed or attempted to jail him, and he ended up getting more flack. So this is from the LA Times, so let's see what the hell happened. Okay, so this is from Alexandria de Rosario. Says Young Thug RICO trial on hold indefinitely as defendant moves to rescue judge from the case. So Young Thug month-long RICO trial faced yet another delay as the Atlanta judge currently overseeing the case faces call to rescue himself. So Young Thug's month-long racketeering trial faces yet another delay. This time, defendants are calling on the Atlanta judge to rescue himself from the case. The Go Crazy rapper, lawyer, and those other defendants filed a motion demanding the Fulton County Superior Court Chief Judge Ural Gaveville be removed from the case, and then another judge overseeing the trial. According to the Associated Press, the motion accused Gaveville of holding an improper meeting with prosecutors and a prosecutor witness, which did not include the defendants and the attorneys. That was a big brouhaha about that. So on Monday, hearing without jurors who are on break until July 8, Gaveville announces he will release the transcripts of his meeting in June with prosecutor witness Kevin Copeland, his attorney. He said he would cancel Wednesday's hearing indefinitely, and he will send the attorney's motion to rescue another judge. So as this written order is entered, I will enter the order transferring it until such time that those things are decided, then we'll be in recess until that time. Gaveville said the judge's decision to further delay the drawn-out trial comes weeks after he found Young Thug's lawyer, Brian Steele, in criminal contempt of court. In June, Gaveville ordered Steele to spend 10 weekends in jail after the defense attorney refused to disclose how he knew about the judge's meeting with Copeland and his attorney. That was a big brouhaha because all these people did not know about this, and instead of coming clean with this, he decided he's going to jail this lawyer, and then they added more fuel to the fire. So this is the second Fani Willis case that's gone. You know, Trump case is also in problems. Steele was to report to Fulton County Jail, but then was clear of the sentence. At the time, attorney Ashley Merchant, Trump lawyer, a legal representative for Steele, told the Atlantic Journal-Constitution in a statement that her team was thrilled that Brian will be home with his family for Father's Day this weekend. Opening statement for Young Thug's high-profile racketeering trial began in November, a year after he was named in a sweeping 2022 indictment in which Georgia officials accused the rapper of being a founding member of a criminal gang, Young Thug Life, or YSL. The gang shared that acronym with the rapper's Young Stoner Life record label. So we don't know if this was done intentionally, you know. So Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffrey Lamar Williams, is one of 28 people, including rapper Gunna and Unfork, alleged association with YSL and Target in the indictment. Since the trial, it has faced several issues that promoted delays, including online leak of a juror's identity and defendant stabbing in Fulton County Jail. So, seems that the problem we're having here in these cases is Fulton County. Whether it's a judge, where is the commissioner, where is the district attorney, where is the assistant district attorney, somebody is doing something they ain't supposed to be doing. They're not following the rules or the law, or a combination of all three, and all hell breaks loose. So now we had two Fulton County cases now on hold. The Trump trial, that RICO trial, is now on hold because of the situation with Fani Willis. To complicate matters, The immunity issue was resolved Monday, saying that the president has immunity depending on the situation. If it's an official act, he has full immunity, or depending, it's a partial immunity, or there's no immunity at all. I mean, like an assassination attempt is not covered by any immunity. So let's put it that way. I mean, unless it's a national security issue like Trump knocking out a general from Iran, that's covered. If he did that to Biden, that's not covered. So let's get that straight. And I don't recommend you clowns continue this threat of wiping each other. No, that's not happening. I don't want anybody to end up with a visit from the Secret Service. I understand it's not fun, so enough of that talk. Now, the situation here with the Fulton County is, if the judge is removed, they had to backtrack it to when the last motion was filed, meaning that anything after June 12th, which was the last motion for the recusal, anything that was heard between that time and now may not be admissible. And plus, the judge, if he's removed, the next judge to take his place may not be from Fulton County. It might be another county. So we don't know if it's going to be continued or they have to start over. They weren't very specific on this. Saying they had to start over, that's a lot of time and effort and money down the drain. So, once again, we have two cases right now. They're on hold. The Trump RICO trial is on hold. And now the Young Thug, excuse me, I'm sweating. Young Thug RICO case is now also on hold. Seems like Fulton County order of mendacity has just spread beyond the Trump case. It's just like my sweat is spreading beyond the t-shirt. So this is Alkane saying so long for now, and don't forget to stop. And there are some good videos on YouTube that will explain better than I could about what happened with the Young Thug case. And I will try to send you something later on with that on another video. Okay, take care.